Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your MSI monitor which is not full screen. So here's the settings for your scaling, resolution as well as aspect ratio. Fix 1. Change the monitor's aspect ratio. Press the menu or the Navi button on the monitor. Go to Image or Display Settings. Select Aspect Ratio or Screen Size. Choose Auto or 16:9. Fix 2. Set the correct resolution. Right-click the desktop and select Display Settings. Under Display Resolution, choose the recommended resolution. Apply the changes. Fix 3. Enable full screen scaling. Open your graphics start settings, find scaling settings, select full screen or full panel, and save the changes. Fix 4. Check in game display settings. Open the game's video or graphics settings. Set display mode to full screen. Make sure the game resolution matches your monitor's resolution. Fix 5. Reset the monitor. Unplug the monitor's power cable. Wait for 60 seconds. Plug it back in and turn the monitor on. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.